welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you something I got from my husband. And honestly, I think he really knew what I would want, but when you see the package, you're going to guess what it is. Here it is. So it arrived in a typical G&T package, and I don't know how much he got this, but I will link it down below, whatever the price and the item of this. Hopefully it's still in stock, because I don't know with this one, because this one is like a it was a recent release before, so I'm not sure if they're going to be on stock. So here it is. And yes, I don't know if you remember this packaging. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. So here it is. This is an anniversary gift, and I am so crazy about it. So here it is. It is the gray Lady Dior inspired bag in the lace detail. And honestly, look at that. That is, and then with the silver hardware, it looks great. With the silver hardware, it looks beautiful. Like, oh, it has 4 feet. And seriously, this is crazy stunning. Now, I'm not a person who's as much of a fan of gray bags, but I do have one gray bag that I love constantly, and it's my Birkin inspired bag, the one with the long strap. I love that to death. And honestly, I didn't see any, like before I was looking for like this Kelly inspired gray bag, but I have never seen one. And honestly, I don't see a the gray version of a Chanel flap, or I've seen a Chanel mini flap inspired bag. It was really cute, and it was gray, but it didn't resonate with me. But this one, when I saw the pink one of this, yes, I did say before that I did get one. When I saw the pink one of this, I was crazy shocked, because it was so beautiful, and I wasn't surprised that the gray one would be as beautiful as well. But I was thinking of getting this already before, but I was like, maybe it's not yet the time. I don't think it's the right or the perfect time to get this. But seriously, I am not regretting it at all. I really love it. It is super cute. Look at that. Honestly, wow. I think at the same, it has this white tag here, and I think the strap is the same. It's gray, of course, and it's at the bottom. So let's see. So here it is. So it is here it is. Here's the strap. It's such a nice gray. Honestly, I am shocked with the color of it, because it's such a beautiful gray. It's so clean and elegant, and since it has the white lace design, it's not hard to pair it with. Maybe that's why this one was a lot more, not tolerable. Something I really like, I would really agree to like, is because it's not like full gray only. I already have a solid gray. I don't need one with like the pretty solid gray, so I was really happy with this. It is super cute. I'm kind of excited to, maybe if you guys want, I'll make a bag collection, or I'll make a video of a bag collection that I have, or maybe just on a specific type of brand inspired, because I really love inspired bags, so they're really nice. So it's the same thing with the pink one. It has a zipper pocket inside, and inside it has that pattern. It's like, it's fabric, so yeah. And it's super nice. This is so easy to pair it with anything. Dress it up, dress it down. It's perfect. You can bring this to a wedding. You can fit a lot in it. I will make a review of this bag and how often I'm going to wear this. Honestly, I really want to wear this all the time. I'm not sure if it's going to be like the honeymoon phase where I'm going to be favoring this a lot more, because it's such a neutral bag. It's so perfect. I would really agree for you guys to get it. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please comment down below. Let me know what other type of bag dupe that you want me to review, or if you want me to suggest items of or dupes of luxury bag that you really want, but not too crazy, like it's not going to scream, it's copied. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and comment down below. Bye guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.